Hello, I'm Randy Stott, publisher and editor of Gear Technology magazine, and today I'm here on the show floor of MPT Expo with Dr. Devin Flowers, president of Dixitech CNC. Devin, thank you for joining us today.
You're welcome. Thank you for the opportunity.
Can you please tell me just a little bit about Dixitech?
Well, Dixitech is a company that was founded in 1984, so we've been around quite a while. Primarily designing and remanufacturing gear cutting and metal cutting machinery. In the last 10 to 15 years, we've become much more of an expert when it comes to high performance quench presses, but for the automotive and the high performance aerospace and defense markets. But we still do remanufacture and custom machines for gear cutting and machines as well.
Okay. What are some of the things that make Dixitech unique?
One of the things that really makes us unique is our capability to customize and our willingness to customize for our customers. You can come to Dixitech and order one press and have a list of specs that you need for that particular press, and we will design or redesign or remanufacture or build new that custom press for you, whether it's a quench press or a machine cutting tool as well. Other things that kind of make us unique is our capability and willingness to integrate multiple processes together with software and also statistical tools that allow you to track these processes as well and integrate them together. And also working with handling of those materials, whether it's gears or bearings, from process to process.
Very good. What are some of your most successful product lines?
Some of our most successful product lines recently that we've had a lot of repeat business on is our high performance, high precision quench presses. Those presses, primarily because of the precision that they provide our customers, and again our willingness to customize and offer software capability to track and also record data from those processes, are really some of our most successful products and processes.
And what do you think is in the future for Dixitech? What are some of the changes you see down the road?
Well, my background is in research and development and designing products and developing products. So definitely in the future, we will be doing a lot more innovation, a lot more R&D, continuing our history around customization and expanding a lot more into innovative custom processes and products. Also in the future, combining material handling and automating of processes as well. Excellent.
And where can people find out more information?
Well, you can find out more information on our website at Dixitech CNC, that's Dixitech CNC.com. And you can also call us at 513-360-0091.
Devin, I want to thank you for your time today. It's been great talking with you.
Thank you.